Hello and welcome back to all the lovely viewers watching this video. I'm Richa and I'm back again with a very interesting decoupage tutorial. Guys, by looking at this picture, you must have got the idea that what I'm going to do today. And yes, you guessed it right. I'm going to upcycle this old stool of mine, which is quite boring. And I thought, why not just upcycle it and make it interesting? So for this project I'm going to use this packing paper sheet. I got this beautiful sheet from a stationery store, so I just grabbed it immediately and I just got it for 10 rupees. So it was a quite economical purchase for me. So along with this I'm going to use Mod Podge, scissor, some acrylic colors and Asian Paints white acrylic paint for covering the base coat of the stool. So now let's get started with the video, and before that kindly subscribe to my channel for all the wonderful updates. Now let's get started. So friends, I've painted the stool in with white acrylic color, and I've completed all the top portion as well as all the four legs of the stool. And this is how it looks after painting. Now I'll start decoupaging on it. Now let's take our decoupage paper or packing paper and cut the desired piece. So I'll be needing half of the paper for covering the top portion. I'll just cut the required paper. This is how I need. Now let's start the decoupage. I'm using Mod Podge matte here. I have stuck the paper on the top portion of the stool, and gently I am scraping off with the help of my hand the extra paper which is there. You can also use scissors. Friends, over here you can use rice paper, decoupage paper, magazine papers or tissue papers for decoupaging. I got this beautiful paper in a very economical price, so I just thought why not to use this one and make the stool more beautiful. Now we will cover the top portion with Mod Podge again and seal it completely. So guys, after sticking the paper, I have just made grey color using white, Asian Paints white color and acrylic black to cover the legs and the empty area of the stool. and I'm just coloring it using sponge. Since I have applied the base coat earlier, it's easier for me to paint it, and that is the importance of base coat. Always on any surface before decoupaging, you have to do the base coat so that your work becomes easier, smoother, and the finishing also comes out proper. Guys, I have fuzzy cut these flowers from the gift paper, and I'm going to stick them on the edges of the stool. I have stuck one, and now I'm going to stick the remaining. Since these are thick flowers, so they will stick easily even though the base is grey, and they will be visible after drying. If you are using tissue paper, then make sure the base is white before you stick the flowers. I'm sticking randomly here and there. There is no fixed pattern. So like this, I'll stick it on all the four sides and show it to you. So this is how our stool looks like after I have stuck the flowers on the edges, the fuzzy cut one, and this is a top portion. Now this empty area which you can see, I want to use acrylic yellow color, and I'll make small dots using a toothpick. Always use contrast colors. So guys, my stool is ready, and guys, this stool I have made it in less than 100 rupees, not even 100 rupees, hardly in 60 rupees or so. So it is the most economical decoupage that you can do, because all the supplies are available at your home, and if they are not available, you can just buy them from a local stationery store. And see how pretty and beautiful the stool is looking, and the complete look has changed. Now we'll proceed towards the last step, which is varnishing, and I'm using this itsy bitsy gloss varnish. I'm just applying the varnish. It's a quick dry varnish. So guys, this is the final look and final outcome of the stool. I hope you liked today's video. Do try this amazing video in budget, in less than 100 rupees, and do share your comments, do share your feedback, and I'll see you in the next video with more such interesting ideas. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.